Factoring Quadratics by Ashley Martin. Quadratics in the general form are ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are coefficients. The sum product method is a factoring method, and you'll be left with x plus 1 times x plus 2, or x minus 1 times x minus 2. If we have this equation, x squared plus 7x plus 12, then we gotta find factors that multiply together to equal 12 and add to equal 7. So you find the factors of 12, they're 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Now we're going to add them together. 1 plus 12 is 13, 2 plus 6 equals 8, and 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 is what we need. Therefore, 3 and 4 are our factors. So x plus 3 times x plus 4 is the factored. Pascal's triangle also can help you factor quadratics, but it's only x plus 1 raised to a number. The way you do Pascal's triangle is you start with your 3 ones in a triangle. Then it's 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 0 equals 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 1 equals 3, 1 plus 0 equals 1. You carry your 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, and then you bring down your 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. If you were going to do 1 plus x raised to the 5th, then it would be x to the 5th plus 5x to the 4th plus 10x to the 3rd plus 10x squared plus 5x plus 1. The numbers in the Pascal's triangle are the coefficients. This only works when it's 1 plus x. And we say it only works for 1 plus x raised to the n. The quadratic equation is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In this equation, your a is 3, your b is 12, your c is 2. Now we need to plug these numbers into the equation. So x equals negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 12 squared minus 4 times 2 times 3, all over 2 times 3. X equals negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 144 minus 24 all over 6. We can reduce that even more to x equals negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 120 over 6. You can reduce the square root of 120, so x equals negative 12 plus or minus 2 square roots of 30 over 6. 2 will go into all of your coefficients, not counting the square root of 3, so you can still reduce. So x equals negative 6 plus or minus the square root of 30 all over 3. That's your answer.
And I love college football games. I love not acting my age and good barbecue. Yeah, I'm a fan of foreign books and anything